Introduction to PowerPoint 2013. So, students, whenever we work mainly in MS Office, that is Microsoft Office, there are three functions which are widely used, that is, which are used very much in any offices and any workplace if you visit. So there are three basic base functions which we use, that is MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. So MS PowerPoint we use to make some presentations. Now what are presentations? You must have seen that we present you some PPT presentations, that is known as PowerPoint presentation. To have some images, with some image we write something, and we have slides. Like in your book we have pages, right? You have page number 1, page number 2, and in this pages it contains some written information and some picture information, right? If you see in page number 69, you have some pictures also. Like at the starting you can see above in the where the chapter 8 is written, you have a picture of satellite. Where the chapter name is written, you have the picture of a boy with his laptop or with his desktop. Down where the informations are given, where the written part, the theory part is there, you can see there is one again a picture of with many options coming. So in PPT presentation also we present like this, and we have slides, that is pages. Now let us read in detail. So while doing this chapter, the things which we are going to learn is how to start the PowerPoint 2013, parts of PowerPoint 2013 window, creating a new presentation, how to make a new presentation, how to insert a new slide, that is a new page, how to save the presentation, again how to close the presentation, and how to again to open the presentation. Okay, now in details we are going to read. So first is, what is presentation? So a presentation is the process of presenting a topic to an audience. No, those sit properly. So what is presentation? A presentation is the whole process that how you deliver a topic to the audience. Like for a very example, recently our school has organized the science exhibition. So from standard 4, some students have presented their science exhibition, their science project in front of many people. So who were those people? They were audience, and you were the presenter of your science project. So you were explaining your project. You have made a project on a topic, just say rainwater harvesting. So your topic was rainwater harvesting. So what you have done, you have explained the project to the audience. So presentation is the whole process which we explain the audience digitally. Why digitally? Because we make presentation and we present it through a digital background or a digital form, that is through computers. It is a typical demonstration, lecture, or speech meant to inform, persuade, or build goodwill. So if we say very basically, what is this? This is a demonstration. Demonstration हम किसे कहते हैं? किसी चीज को एग्जाम्पल के साथ एक्सप्लेन करना, ठीक है, डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना. अगर आप रोबोटिक का एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हो, या आप अगर रोबोटिक के वर्कशॉप में जाते हो, तो वो आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करते हैं. वो आपको विथ अ स्मॉल मॉडल ऑफ रोबोट वो आपको और अच्छी तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. लेक्चर, लेक्चर किसे कहते हैं? जहाँ पे प्रोफेसर्स या टीचर्स आपको जो भी समझाते हैं, जो भी किसी टॉपिक के बारे में आपको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, उसे हम लेक्चर कहते हैं. या फिर स्पीच देना. इन सभी चीजों में जहाँ पे आपको किसी को इंफॉर्मेशन देना हो, या आपको अपना गुडविल बढ़ाना हो, और टू परसुएड एनी प्रोजेक्ट, किसी प्रोजेक्ट को स्टार्ट करना हो, तो हम प्रेजेंटेशन का यूज करते हैं. The most common and user-friendly software used for creating a presentation is PowerPoint. The most common, as I told you, commonly we use in MS Office, commonly we use three parts of MS Office, which is used more frequently, that is MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. And MS PowerPoint is one of the friendliest software in which we can make different type of presentations very easily. In PowerPoint, a presentation is created in the form of series of slides in which text, images and sound can be added. So PowerPoint presentation may, while making PowerPoint presentation, the presentation is made in series of size. Students are requested to concentrate in the class rather than talking. In PowerPoint presentation, we make it in a series form. That means, जैसे आपके book में, in your book, there is a sequence of pages. After page number 1, there is page number 2. After that page, there is another page. So there is a series of pages and series of chapters. So in PowerPoint presentation also, we make in a series of slides. जहाँ पे हम टेक्स्ट लिख सकते हैं, जहाँ पे हम इमेज इनपुट कर सकते हैं और जहाँ पे हम साउंड भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. Now, what are slides? Slides are the individual pages of a presentation that can be displayed one by one on the screen. Like, again, I'll take an example of book. In your book, you have different pages, number of pages. आप एक के बाद एक पेज खोलते हो, उसके बाद उसमें जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है आप उसको go through करते हो, उसे read करते हो. Same in the PowerPoint presentation. What are slides? These slides are individual pages. वो एक एक पेज की तरह है जो आपको इंफॉर्मेशन या जो ऑडियंस को इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है, से स्क्रीन में डिस्प्ले करता है. Now comes how to start a PowerPoint presentation 2013. So let's see what are the steps. To start PowerPoint 2013, follow these steps. Number 1, click start, then all program. After all program, Microsoft Office 2013. From there, we will see the part that is PowerPoint 2013. So my first step is, first I need to click in the start button. After I click in the start button, then I'm going to click in the option, click on the option that is all programs. After I click in the option all programs, then I'll go to Microsoft Office 2013 file. Under that file, I'll find PowerPoint 2013. The start screen will appear. From here, you can create a new presentation, choose a template or access your recently edited presentation. उसके बाद आपके स्क्रीन में एक स्टार्ट पेज आएगा, एक स्टार्ट स्क्रीन आएगा, then the presentation, the file will be open. From there, you can use the templates. What are templates? Templates are the pre-designed pages or the pre-designed files which is by default installed in all the programs. Or you can choose the recently added or recently done presentation. Then click blank presentation. A new presentation will appear. After the start screen has started, then you need to click on the blank presentation. Then you can start your new presentation. You can start working on new presentation. Now let us see what are the parts are there in presentation PowerPoint 2013. So first is quick access tool. The quick access tool let you and access common command on no matter which tab is selected on the ribbon. It contains the buttons for the most commonly used commands such as save, undo, and redo. The quick access tool so quick access tool is the common command part where it remains the same, like whatever file you choose, whether you are in home tab or you are in design tab, and wherever the that is the common tab which is there, and it helps you to take the quick actions. That is why it is named as quick access tool. This commands are the commands which we use frequently, like we use save command, we use redo command or undo command. So these are the commands which we use frequently, and it helps us to access the commands quickly whenever we need. Then comes title bar. It displays at the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the presentation currently open. To the right of the title bar, there are three buttons, that is minimize, maximize. Maximize is also known as slow down, and close. So we all know what is title bar. Title bar is the place where we see the name of the file. What what file we are working at, what is the name of the file if we have saved it, and beside that there is three more buttons which is known as minimize, maximize, and close, which we also say as program level control button. Then comes ribbons. It is displayed just below the title bar. The ribbon contains the command you will need to perform common tasks in PowerPoint. It has multi-tabs, each with several group of commands. So ribbon, हम ribbon किसे कहते हैं? Ribbon just title bar के नीचे है, जहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे tab दिखने को मिलते हैं. What are the tabs? The small buttons, you can say. In that tab, there are many commands. Like if we stay there in file tab, we have text, we have picture, we have slide masters, and so on. If we go to home tab, if we are there in home tab, then we are going to see text, pictures, slide masters, and so on. If we go to design tab, then different type of designs will be open. Okay, so each tab contains different commands.